Now second sub question from question number 3 from practice set 5.1. 2x plus y equal to 5 and 3x minus y equal to 5. Solve the following sets of simultaneous equation. So first equation is 2x plus y equal to 5 and second equation is 3x minus y equal to 5. So 2x plus y equal to 5 is your equation 1 and 3x minus y equal to 5 is your equation 2. So in equation 1 for y variable coefficient is 1 and for equation 2 for y variable coefficient is minus 1. So we can eliminate y by adding equation 1 and 2. So adding equation 1 and 2. So 2x plus y equal to 5 plus 3x minus y equal to 5. So 2x plus 3x is 5x plus y minus y is 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. Adding equation 1 and 2. So add both equations. So 2x plus 3x is 5x plus y minus y is 0 and 5 plus 5 is 10. So 5x equal to 10. Therefore x equal to 10 upon 5. X equal to 10 upon 5. Therefore x equal to 2. Therefore x equal to 2. Now find out y. Now substitute this value of x equal to 2 in equation 1 or you can substitute in equation 2. So substituting the value of x in equation 1. What is your equation 1? 2x plus y equal to 5. So 2x plus y equal to 5 and substituting the value of x and the value of x is 2. Therefore 2 into 2 plus y equal to 5. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 plus y equal to 5. Therefore y equal to 5 minus 4. Y equal to 5 minus 4. Therefore y equal to 1. Y equal to 1. Therefore, x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 is the solution of the given equations. Is the solution of the given equations. Now, fourth sub question. 2y minus x equal to 0. First equation is 2y minus x equal to 0. And second equation is 10x plus 15y equal to 105. So, solution. First equation, first it is given 2y minus x. So we want x first term and second term is your y. So 2y minus x equal to 0. So therefore minus x plus 2y. Minus x plus 2y equal to 0. Minus x plus rearrange terms. Okay. So minus x plus 2y equal to 0 and this is your equation 1. And your second equation is 10x plus 15y equal to 105. 10x plus 15y equal to 105 and this is your equation 2. This is your equation 2. Again to eliminate one of the variable, we observe that in both equation not a single coefficient is equal. Not a single coefficient is equal. For this variable x coefficient is minus 1 and for here in equation 2 for variable x coefficient is 10. For here for y variable coefficient is 2 and here for y variable coefficient is 15. So to eliminate one of the variables, we observe that in both equation not a single coefficient is equal or opposite number. Hence we will make one of them equal. So multiplying equation 1 by 10, multiplying equation 1 by 10. So minus x into 10 is minus 10x plus 10 into 2y is 20 plus 20y and 10 into 0 is 0. So minus 10x plus 20y equal to 0 and this is your equation 3. Now adding equation 2 and 3. So we can eliminate x term. So we can eliminate x term. So adding 2 and 3. 10x plus 15y equal to 105 minus 10x plus 20y equal to 0. So 10x minus 10x is 0. 15y plus 20y is 35y equal to 105 plus 0 is 105. So 35y equal to 105. Therefore y equal to 105 upon 35. Therefore y equal to 3. Y equal to 3. Now find out x. So substituting the value of y in equation 1. Substituting the value of y in equation 1. And what is your equation 1? Minus x plus 2y equal to 0. Now substitute the value of y in equation 1. Minus x plus 2y equal to 0. Therefore, minus x plus 2 into 3 equal to 0 because the value of y is 3. So, minus x plus 2 into 3 equal to 0. Therefore, minus x plus 2 into 3 is 6. Minus x plus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, minus x equal to minus 6. Simple transposition. Minus x equal to minus 6. Now, cancel minus from both sides. Therefore, x equal to 6. X equal to 6. Therefore, x equal to 6 and y equal to 3 is the solution of given equations. X equal to 6 and y equal to 3. X equal to 6 and y equal to 3 is the solution of given equations. Now, fifth sub question. 2x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. First equation is 2x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. And second equation is x minus 5y equal to 11. X minus 5y equal to 11. So, first equation 2x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. This equation we can write as 2x plus 3y equal to minus 4. 2x plus 3y equal to minus 4, and this is your first equation. Second equation is given x minus 5y equal to 11. X minus 5y equal to 11. This is your equation 2. Again, to eliminate one of the variables, we observe that in both equations, not a single coefficient is equal or opposite number. Not a single coefficient is equal or opposite numbers. Hence, we will make one of them equal. Therefore, multiplying equation 2 by 2. So, x into 2 is 2x minus 5y into 2 is minus 10y equal to 11 into 2 is 22. So, multiplying equation 2 by 2. Therefore, 2x minus 10y equal to 22, and this is your equation 3. Your equation 2 is x minus 5y equal to 11. Multiplying 2 by 2 for equation 2. So, 2x minus 10y equal to 22. This is your equation 3. Now, subtracting 1 from 3. Subtracting 1 from equation 3. So, 2x minus 10y equal to 22. 2x minus 10y equal to 22 is your equation 3. Minus 2x plus 3y equal to minus 4. This is your equation 1. 2x plus 3y equal to minus 4. This is your equation 1. So, subtracting 1 from 3. So, 2x minus 2x is 0. And this plus minus minus. So, minus 10y minus 3y is minus 13y equal to, again minus minus plus. So, 22 plus 4 equal to 26. So, minus 13y equal to 26. Therefore, y equal to 26 upon 13 minus 26 upon 13. Therefore, y equal to minus 2. Y equal to minus 2. Now, find out x. So, substituting the value of y in equation 2. Now, y equal to minus 2. Now, substituting the value of y in equation 2, and your equation 2 is x minus 5y equal to 11. For this, y substitute minus 2. So, substituting the value of y in equation 2. Therefore, x minus 5 into minus 2 equal to 11. Therefore, x plus 10 minus 5 into minus 2 is plus 10 equal to 11. Therefore, x equal to 11 minus 10. X equal to 11 minus 10. Therefore, x equal to 1. X equal to 1. Therefore, x equal to 1 and y equal to minus 2 is the solution of given equation. Therefore, x equal to 1 and y equal to minus 2 is the solution of given equation. Now, here x is 1 and y is minus 2. Now, verify. X is our 1 and y is minus 2. What is your equation? Equation is 2x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. 2x plus 3y equal to minus 4. And the value of x is 1. Is 2 into 1 is 2. Plus the value of y is minus 2. 3 into minus 2. 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. So 2 minus 6 is minus 4. 2 minus 6 is minus 4. Hence proved. So x equal to 1 and y equal to minus 2 is the solution of given equations. Students, third and sixth sub questions homework. Third and sixth sub questions are homework.